Hello everyone, welcome to Learning AI. In this video, we will explore about AI and generative AI. AI, artificial intelligence, is all about making machines intelligent. It is all about giving the capabilities to the machine to perform a task which requires human intelligence. Any task, any work which requires human intelligence, if we try to mimic that into the machines, then that is called as AI. For example, driving a car. Driving a car requires human intelligence, and if that task, if that work of driving a car is carried out by a machine, then that is called as AI, artificial intelligence. For example, recognizing faces. Recognizing faces requires intelligence. If that task of recognizing faces is carried out by a machine, for example, our smartphones, then that is called as AI. The face recognition lock in our smartphones is nothing but AI. The research of AI started in the year 1950 when the scientists came up with the idea of how to make machines intelligent. In 1990s, they came up with a very successful approach called as machine learning. Machine learning is all about making machines learn from the data. For example, if I want to train a machine to recognize the image of a dog, then I have to train machine on multiple images of dog in different positions, in different angles, and machine will learn from that image of dog. It will extract some features and will try to recognize the image of dog. This is how machine learning works. In 2000s, scientists they came up with a new successful approach in AI called as deep learning. Deep learning became so successful that it became synonymous with AI. Deep learning means AI, AI means deep learning. Deep learning is all about mimicking the way humans learns. We humans have neural system, biological neural network. When we try to mimic that human neural system into the machines, then that is called as artificial neural network. We try to create a artificial neural network architecture through which machines will learn from the data. So machine learning and deep learning are two approaches of AI. AI is all about making machines intelligent. To achieve AI, we either use machine learning or deep learning approach. Now let us discuss what is generative AI. Generative AI, or also known as Gen AI, is a branch in AI which deals with generating content on its own. Gen AI applications or Gen AI models are AI systems or AI models which generates on its own. For example, if I train Gen AI model on 10,000 images, it may be able to generate a new image. If I train AI model, Gen AI model on 10,000 songs, it may be able to generate a new song on its own. If I train Gen AI model on 10,000 emails, it may be able to write a new email for us. So Gen AI is all about generating on its own. And the best application of Gen AI is Chat GPT. Chat GPT, which we have already used, which we are using a lot in our daily life, is an application of Gen AI, generative AI. Chat GPT is able to generate content on its own because it has been trained on huge amounts of language data. So this is generative AI.
Subscribe for more content.